Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cancel your Stan payment subscription in 2023. So, if you've been enjoying Stan content but have decided to end your subscription, this video will guide you through the process of canceling your payment subscription. So, let's dive right into it. Make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorials with. So in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type stan.com.au and hit the enter button. That should take you directly to the home screen or main screen of Stan website. And of course, once you're on the Stan homepage, locate the login as you can see right here. Or if you have an account, so make sure to enter your email address and your password and log in into your account. If you don't have an account, make sure to click on the sign up now. And of course, once you sign up into your account, you'll get a 13 days free trial. And then you'll be able to cancel your subscription whenever you want. So once you're logged in into your account, so let me just go here and log in into my account as an example. You are unable to log in. It's just done at this time. Please try again. Okay, continue. Maybe I'll miss the password, reset the password. Oops, something went wrong. Okay, maybe they have just something wrong with their websites at the moment. So let me just go to the help center. And of course, for you, once you're logged in into your account, you'll have to go and access your account settings. So once you're logged in into your account, navigate to your account settings and look for your profile icon. Usually, look, it's going to be found or located in the top right corner of your screen. So make sure to click on the icon to access a drop-down menu or list of options. Look for an option like account settings or my account and click on it. And of course, uh, within your account settings, search for a section related to subscription payments. The exact wording may vary by typically content option to manage your subscription and click on that section to proceed. And of course, it's if this subscription or in the subscription management section, you'll find information about your current subscription. Look for an option to cancel or end your subscription and click on that option to initiate the cancellation process. Of course, after clicking on the cancellation or cancel a subscription option, Stan may ask you to confirm your decision. They might provide information about your any remaining days in your billing cycle or offer alternative like downgrading your plan or read the details carefully. And if you're certain about canceling, proceed to confirm the cancellation. And of course, you can some platforms including Stan may offer an optional feedback form to understand why you're canceling. So, if you wish to take a moment to provide your feedback regarding your experience with Stan, this step is entirely optional and you can skip it if you prefer. Because, of course, it will help them improve anything if you are canceling your subscription because of a problem or you're just canceling because you want just to get the 13 days free trial and you get them. And of course, once you confirm it, the stand should provide a confirmation message or email to verify that your subscription have been canceled successfully. So make sure to take note of confirmations for your records. As an example here, for me in the stand support, I'm just going to type cancel subscription and hit the enter button or click on search. As you can see here, how do I cancel my Stan account? So of course, there's even how do I cancel my Stan support bundle and Stan account. So for the support bundle or sports bundle, sorry, as you can see, you can simply go and manage your account and you'll be able to remove it as simple as that. So as you can see, if you have even an iTunes, you'll be able to do so. So make sure to follow the instructions here. And as you can see, cancel my Stan subscription if you want to. So as we said, click on your icon at the top right corner, then click on manage account. Once you do so, you'll find your subscription information is right there. You'll find the next bill amount, the next billing date, and your current plan. And of course, you'll be able to change your plan, update your payment method, or even cancel the subscription. As we said, we would like to cancel the subscription, and once you click on it, you will get through the process that I told you, which is confirming the cancellation and providing a feedback if you want, and even verifying the cancellation through your email. You can simply go to your email and simply you'll find an email into your account, and you'll find instead of the start watching, because I just created my account 2 minutes ago or 10 minutes ago, of course, that's the email that I'm getting. But for you, of course, you'll have an option to cancel the subscription from there. For you, you will have to confirm it and you will be normally good to go. You will find no subscription. Of course, any days that you still have in your subscription will still be available on your stand. So you can always go log in and watch until the days of your subscription finish or just the free trial finish. And of course, once you do so, I believe that you will find your subscription canceled and you will be able to enjoy the rest of the days that you still have. And of course, if you want to contact us as an example, or if you want to contact them, so as you can see from here, if you want to contact us, select no contact down below, and we'll get back to you within 15 minutes with a response between the hours of 8 a.m. to midnight East, or of course, 7 days a week. So, was this article helpful as an example? No, contact stand or yes. So we don't care this at the moment. And of course, as an example, if you have more than one card in your pockets, you can always go and get another 13 days free trial. You can simply do the same process, click on start free trial, choose the plan from here. As you can see, every one has different features with different pricing. You can even add this Stan Sports. As you can see, even if you add this, you'll even get a 7-day free trial on the Stan Sports, and you'll be able to watch the rugby, the UEFA Champions League, and Grand Slam tennis, and even more. And of course, once you choose your plan, click and continue, and simply make sure to go and add a different email address, and other than that it will not matter. So make sure to add a different email address, even if it's the same password, not a problem. Even same name, first name, last name, gender, when did you born, and postcard, and make sure to go and edit another card number if you have more than one. If you have more than one, you'll be able to enter another one here. Check this option and you'll get another 3 free trial if you want to keep using that. Of course, the temp or the credit card generators will not work here, so don't even try to use that. And of course, if you reach this point of this video, congratulations. You've successfully canceled your SAN payment subscriptions in 2023. And of course, you'll even know a simple hack how to get unlimited 13 days free trial if you have more than one card. So remember to keep track of any remaining days in your billing cycle to ensure you're not charged again. And of course, thank you for watching this tutorial and we hope it was helpful to you. If you have any concerns or suggestions, you can always go down there and leave them down below in the comment section. And make sure to leave a thumbs up or like in this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. So if you have any further questions, you can feel free to reach out even to the customer service or support if you want to. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.